Hey guys, it's just a quick one to show you how to get your phone numbers formatted correctly so you can upload them into Chirply. So I did a little tweaking to the spreadsheet. You can use the same link to download that, and I'll put that in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them below or shoot me an email. Appreciate you guys. Let's jump right in. So here's how we want to get our phone numbers formatted into Chirply. What we're going to do is paste our numbers right here into this column. This one will fix any formatting issues. So you can see this one had brackets and spaces and a dash in it, and it turned it just into this. And this column adds the country code number. So USA, the country code is 1. So that one adds that number right there. And this will be our final number. So on this tab here, I made sort of a template for you. If you want, you can drop your stuff into this one, or you could put it back into your original file. Either way will work. You do need a phone number. That's why this one's highlighted in green. So if there's no phone number, you can't upload your lead into Chirply. And these are just kind of my recommended fields that you should probably have as well. So anytime you want to see this video, you can come here and click this, and that'll take you to a link on YouTube where you can rewatch this again. So let's just go through this. There are some certain steps that might be difficult. Just stick with it and watch this video again if you have any trouble. So these are our phone numbers from our lead list. What I'm going to do is Control-Shift down and Control-C. That copies all those numbers. I'm going to come to this B column and just Control-V right there and paste those numbers right over the previous spot. You can see all these numbers are in the correct format now. They have the country code, no special characters. So what we need now is to either put this back into our list, or we could take this information and put it into the Chirply template. So I'll just do both ways just so you can see. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to actually filter this and take off this value. That way it's just my phone numbers here. And I'm going to hit Command-Shift down, Command-C on a Mac, and I'll hit Command-V on a Mac or Control-V to paste those. You can see it's weird, right? Right now it's pulling the address info. That's because we still have the formula in here. So what we need to do is, you see this little clipboard, paste options. We need to change this to values only. And what that did is took the actual values instead of the formulas and pasted those here. So now this is correct. We can also change it to convert to number if we want. So that would be 100% correct now. I think it'll still take it if it's a number stored as text. But now that's exactly what we want. We could upload this into Chirply. And I'll just show you here if we wanted to use the actual Chirply template as well. We would do the same thing here. Values only. And then convert to number. And I'd go to my original file here. So I'm going to take all these names. Put those right here. Then I'm going to take the addresses. Put those right here. And I'll take the emails. and put those right here. So I'll also add a list identifier, and we'll put Chirply demo list, and I'll just drag this down. And we'll do a custom field in Chirply. That way, if you want to track what list people came from, you can use that custom field, and that will tell you which list those leads came from. So now what we're going to do is save this as a CSV file, and I'll just put Chirply CSV demo, and we'll drop that on desktop. And file format needs to be a CSV, .csv. And we'll hit OK. So now I have that on my desktop. Now what I'm going to do is upload the list. First I'm going to create a custom field. So let's go to Settings. We'll go to Custom Fields, and I'll add a custom field. I'm going to call it List. And default value is null. Field alias is just list. And I'll save that. Now I'm going to go into a list. Let's go into this one. And I'll go to this gear setting, upload leads, choose file, desktop, and Chirply CSV demo. Now I'm going to map those fields. So we got first name, last name, email, phone, and address, and list. That's that custom field we made. Check the permission box and upload, and we'll confirm that we don't want to map those other fields. So now those leads are going to start uploading. We can come here and click refresh, and that should start populating those leads into the list. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to email me. You can see here we have those numbers pulled in, and we should have about 50 leads in here now. So just like that, we got our list uploaded. We can click a contact here, and it's going to show us that info that we put in. And if we extend this list here, it'll say which list they came from. So another reason that's useful, if we're using a Zap, we can grab that Zap data and push it into an external application. So hopefully that's helpful. Be sure to copy and paste as values, so you're getting the values only, not the formula. And other than that, hopefully that makes it easier to get your leads into Chirply. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.